This training demonstration is a brief outline of the operational instructions of this product and is not meant to be a replacement or a complete supplement of the owner's manual instructions provided with your equipment. We strongly recommend that all operators thoroughly read and understand the owner's manual and ask their supervisor if they have any questions. It is possible that I may not mention every important item listed in the owner's manual. You do not need to connect your PC to the GSP30B scale to use the SLP5 Lite software. If you plan to use the software independently of the scale, please continue with this video. If you are going to connect the scale through a network or directly to your PC, please stop this video and check out one of our other videos more suited to your needs. Thank you. Open up your internet browser and go to www.gsp30b.gfesupport.com. On this site, you can download or view copies of the Quick Start Guide, Instruction Manual, and the User Manual for the SLP-5 Lite software. This is also where you will download the software and request the software license. Click on the SLP-5 software download link. When the tab pops up at the bottom of the screen asking if you want to save the file, click on Save to save to your default downloads location, or choose Save As to pull up the Save As option and choose a different location. The zip file is small, so it will not take very long to download, but of course that all depends on your download speed. Once the file has finished downloading, you can click on Open Folder in the tab at the bottom of the Internet Explorer window, or if you are not using Internet Explorer or an internet browser that has similar functions, open your Downloads folder or other downloads location. Right-click on the SLP-5 Lite zip file and choose Extract All from the options. In the window that pops up, click Extract, or choose a different location to extract the files to, and then click Extract. Open the SLP5 Lite folder in the window that pops open, and click on the SLP5 Lite _220C file. This will begin the software installing. You might get this security warning. Click Run to continue installing the software. After a couple of green progress bars and a couple of screens flashing by, the install wizard will pop up. To continue with the installation, click on the Next button. This next window is asking what folder you would like the program to install to and who should be able to use it. Click Browse to choose a different location and choose whether you would like everyone to have access or just yourself. Then click on Next. A window with a status bar will pop up and the program will install. This may take a few moments. Once the program has finished installing, you'll get this window. Click Finish to close out the installation wizard. On the desktop, there will now be two new icons. The orange ScaleLink Pro 5 Lite is for adding and editing PLUs, editing prices, setting up sales campaigns, and various other functions. The green ScaleLink Pro 5 Lite Maintenance is for making customized labels and logos. Double-click on the orange ScaleLink Pro icon the first time you start the program. This window will pop up asking for your license verification. To obtain your license verification, go to the same website where you downloaded the software, the GSP30B.gfesupport.com, and enter the product key located in the upper right hand corner of the window. You will receive your license verification within 2 to 3 business days. Until then, you have a 14-day trial to use the software. All of this is free, of course, the free trial and the software, but you do need to register to continue using the software after the 14 days. If you already have your license verification, enter it here and click on the verification button. Otherwise, click Verify later. The next thing to do is set up the database. Click on Database Setup. Here, you can choose where to store the database for the scale. There is already a default location, but if you would prefer it to be stored somewhere else on your computer, you can click on the folder and pick somewhere else. Whether or not you choose a new location for your database, click OK. The program will hesitate for a moment while it creates the database. Once the computer stops thinking, click on the scale setup. The first thing to do in this new window is to click on the line that says remove before ... and then click on the trash can, and then click OK. You want to proceed. Now click on the blank paper because you are adding a new scale. This next part is necessary even if you are not connecting your PC to a particular scale or scales. Feel free to leave this as all zeros since you are not connecting to a scale. If you change your mind and want to connect to a scale later, it can always be changed. For this example, I'll enter my IP address, which is 10.0.0.234. Then click OK. In this window, you can rename your scale to whatever you would like. Leaving it as the IP address is just fine if naming it something else isn't more convenient. Click on the box next to the Enable Comms log. This allows the computer to log the scale's activity, so if there are any errors or odd occurrences down the road, there's a log file that might hold a clue and help solve the problem. If this is your only scale, the machine number can remain 0. Otherwise, enter the scale number here. Then click OK. Now close the window and click on the X. Scaling Pro will open up at this point. This concludes this video. For more information and how-to videos on how to operate your GSP30B scale, please visit our YouTube channel. Also, our service department is happy to help if you have any questions. They can be contacted at 866-260-0522 or at techsupport@globefoodequip.com. Thank you and have a great day.